here we are again. We have got another tie. You know what that means? It's time for another dash for cash. I love seeing him. 2 times. 2 times. All right, you guys know the drill. The last person to finish is getting eliminated. Here's your challenge. I want you to bring back $28, fan it out in front of the camera so I can count it, and then throw it in the air. Ready? Go ready, set, go! Let's see who has $28. I don't even have a wallet. This is tough.
28.
Ready? We gotta see it. You gotta fan it out.
28.
21. That looks. I mean.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Toss it into the air. Go ready. Throw it in the air. You got it fanned out. And that's it. She did it. Sorry, Eddie. You've been eliminated. Goodbye, sir.